Hey everyone friends, today I'll show you what to do if your iPhone camera displays a black screen. First, make sure nothing is covering the camera lens itself. No case is blocking it, and try wiping it with a simple microfiber cloth. It might just be some physical dirt or smudge. If that doesn't help, try switching from the front camera to the rear camera. That can sometimes help too. If that doesn't work, go into settings and check if there are any system updates available. Go to updates, oops. System updates, yes, and click the update button if there is one. Now look, there are camera settings where you can also adjust things and see what's enabled or disabled. You can tweak the settings and format for the camera. And so on. There. If none of that helps, try simply restarting your phone. To do this, hold the volume up button and the power button. Turn off the phone, then press the power button to turn it back on and try using it. That's all. See you everyone.